Waking up in the concrete canopy, sunlight paints the murals for me. Got that street food haze in the air now, ready for whatever is out there. Pura vibra, walking en la ciudad, lost inside this beautiful realidad. Pura vibra, just a ghost in the frame, whispering Mexico City's name.
All right, chicos, welcome. We're here in Mexico City. This is just going to be a short little 4K walk-in video. Now, we just left the castle, and we're making our way back to the Airbnb. Now, coming up, we're going to walk through a part of the city here that was shut down due to the protest. The teachers' protest, that is. Vámonos, let's go. Let us show you the way here in Mexico City with dos gringos, un golfo. Now in this vlog, we're just going to get back to basics here, my friend. Not too much editing, just raw, natural footage here in Mexico City. Let's go, we'll show you the way.
A little bit farther, but the roads are closed right there. We're going to walk to the hotel.
Party bus. Yeah, that's why Jorge says Sparta. It's like Sparta.
Yeah.
When you cross the intersection there, right? It is. It's like Sparta, no kidding. Yep, shutting her down, man. Why do we come through here? There we go. Casa Azulejos. Yeah, we should just went the other way. Come through here. This is the corridor. We took photos over here. But this is all
Yeah.
Could have been, maybe not. I don't know.
Entreténgalos dibujando en casa con el espirógrafo. Fueron 2 céntimos.
No, es una sudadera,
Siguen de no, mis cosas también. No, le digo. Como mi oye mandando un gato. Ah.
La otra chica que estaba tampoco habló.
Ahí dice quién habló. O sea, ¿dice quién habló o dice quién no habló?
Dice quién habló.
Y no dice cuánto tiempo habló cada quien.
Pues tengo lo transferí.
Pero no da estadística. Sí, eso es la chica chiste.
Bueno, no sé.
Y arreglemos la construcción de manera responsable. No nos dejamos traer
Chuck and Courtney live in Mexico City. Coming at ya.
My feet are about to fall off.
Yeah, my feet are done. Oh my God, my feet are so done. Are we there yet, Courtney?
Thank you so much for joining us today, my friend, on this 4K walking tour. We truly hope you enjoyed this. Two Gringos on the Gulf here, keeping it real and raw in Mexico City for y'all. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And remember, as always, be kind to one another. Adios. Hasta luego.
Ha ha.